Hey guys, it's Victor, and today I'm going to be showing you how to download and install Optifine for Minecraft 1.16.2. Optifine is a useful mod for Minecraft that you can use on any server and is allowed everywhere. That basically allows you to have a higher FPS, can zoom in on things, and it basically allows you to customize a lot more options in Minecraft that make it much better, and it optimizes your game. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is come to this website in the description right here, optifine.net/home. And then you're going to click on downloads right here. Now this version of Optifine 1.16.2 is still in beta. It's been released very recently. So you have to see at the top right here where it says preview versions. And you can see right here 1.16.2 was released just yesterday. Now you're going to want to click on download. And just wait for this to go through. And in 5 seconds you'll want to click on skip at the top right of your screen. Now you can download Optifine. You want to keep it. Wait for it to finish loading. And you're just going to want to run it. Now it should have this pop-up right here, the Optifine installer, and you're just going to want to allow it to install to it automatically where it wants to, which will be your .minecraft folder. And just click install. To give you a success message, just click OK. And you can close out all of this. Now you can open up your Minecraft launcher, and you can see that Optifine 1.16.2 is right at the top right here. Now you just want to click on that and click play. Now that we're in Minecraft, you can just go to options, video settings, and as you can see we have all of these options right here that would not be there without Optifine. These things allow you to get a much higher FPS on stuff. For comparison's sake, my computer doesn't do very well with Minecraft. And I only get like 50 FPS on Minecraft normally. With Optifine, I get upwards of 300 FPS, so it makes a massive difference. Now, if this video helped you out and it worked for you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.